Why
Stop
you
shooting.
guys?
Stop
Why you kill
shooting.
why you kill my gangmate?
He started shooting at us. Stop
Sabi
shooting,
mo na,
man.
bumaril sa akin yung wheelboy na yan eh. Pinatay ako eh.
Why you guys using green shield, man?
You know what I'm saying, man? You good, right? You good.
Kill him.
I'm recording this one. I'm recording this
They
one.
gonna shoot at you, bro. Go ahead. Come on. I told you.
I'm recording this one.
What you saying?
You're gonna get banned.
Shooting at y'all, boys.
Naka green shield siya, Ika.
Man, let's go.
Hindi siya tinatablan. Record mo yan. Report mo. I-report mo na lang.
Yes, nigga talking about you cool, bro. What?
Yeah, he said he was shooting at them.
Ni-record mo.
Umano lang naman ako sa dalawang yun, elboy na yun. Kasi patay ako bigla. Balik ako yan dyan. Babalik ako.
HP na ako.